Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So today I will discuss with you how to create a Facebook page. So it's more important to create a Facebook page for business, for gaming something, whatever you want. So let's get started. Okay, how to create a Facebook business page, complete guide for 2022. Okay, so here it is. So now we will discuss how to create a Facebook page. So want more people to find your business on Facebook, wondering how to make a Facebook business page. In this article, you will learn how to create a Facebook business page, including a complete tutorial with optimization tips and suggested features to integrate. Okay, how to create a Facebook business page, a complete guide for 2012. How to make a Facebook business page, step-by-step tutorial using your personal Facebook profile. Okay, so first let's look at how to set up a Facebook business page for your personal profile. This workflow is best if you don't want to business manager or business suite to manage your page. You can always move to page to business manager later if you need sense. Okay. Number one, navigate to your personal profile. Start by opening Facebook in a browser and click the flag icon in the top menu bar. As can you see here? Then click the create new button in the left hand menu. Can you see here in the left menu button, click a new page. You will automatically be redirected to Facebook create page pop-up. Okay, here is enter number two, enter basic page information. Next, add basic information about your business, enter a page name and indicate that you see a green check which confirm that the name you entered follows Facebook page name rules. For example, the page cannot include inappropriate capitalization or punctuation. Shows up to three categories that uh, describe your business, type a keyboard or two start for browsing your options. Let's see here. In the description box, write a concise introduction to your business. Since you have only 235 characters to work with, this is a great place to feature your unique selling. The description will appear in the About section at the very top of your page. Click the Create Page button when you are finished. Note that you can always go back and update or edit the information you have entered. Upload Facebook page image. After you have created the page, you will see some new options to upload image and a profile photo that your customer can easily recognize and externalize your business, such as your logo, your products, your location, or yourself if your page or public figure. Note that Facebook recommends using a square image that displayed at 170 equals 170 pixels, and keep in mind that it displays as a circle, so the corner may be cut off. Yes, that is right. Next, choose a cover photo to tell customer more about your business. Your cover image might show some of your products, a view of your store, a snapshot of your team, or your current offer. Although it's good idea to keep your profile photo consistent, you can Plan to change your cover photo frequently.